What's up, it's me, Tommy. Today I'm going to try and answer one question, and that question is, how well does the DJI Ronin-S work with the GH5, the Viltrox EF-M2, and a Sigma 18-35? Let's find out. Now, what I've been doing up until now is using the DJI Ronin-S with just my GX85 and a little quick release plate because it's really easy to get set up and go. It's just a nice little lightweight camera that I've never got anything attached to. It's never like in a cage. I never have to take anything off of it. It's just good to go. But let's go ahead and see how well the GH5 does. Here's what I mean. Before I even get started, I need to basically disassemble my whole rig. So I don't want to take it out of the cage, and I don't want to remove the quick release plate every time I want to hook it up to my gimbal. So I'm going to try and use all that stuff the way it is and put it on the DJI Ronin-S now. There we go. That's not perfect, but it'll do for now. Alright, so instead of a long-ass video of me screwing around with this gimbal, I'm just going to give you the dirty in a voiceover, and then give you my synopsis at the end. The gimbal balanced really well, and you can see during the power consumption that it looks really balanced. That's a good thing. I did notice that the focusing with the gimbal was like really choppy, even worse than how the autofocus works. Like you get a little clicking the way you do with the autofocus normally, kind of like that, but it only updates maybe once every half second, and you can see it in this B-roll. Now, I did have one issue that had the gimbal freak out while I was really pushing it to its limits, and it scared the crap out of me, and I thought it was going to break my camera. Fortunately, it did not. And you can see what the footage looked like because I happened to be recording at the time that it worked. So all in all, it works pretty well. You just got to be a little bit careful because it's a lot of weight. So does the DJI Ronin-S work with a Viltrox EF-M2 and a Sigma 18-35 in a cage with an extra quick release plate? Yes, it does. I mean, technically, I guess it would probably work as well as the Metabones. It's very heavy. Okay, set it down. All right, so it does work. The focusing is not smooth and it's a little clunky, but all the features seem to work just fine. You can balance it pretty well, even with the extra quick release plate on it. And you don't have to take the GH5 out of a cage. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's it. I mean, that's really the purpose of this video. If you like this video, feel free to hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.